Okay guys, now we will practice nested conditions. This example will be about summer camps for children. Okay, so I will print something like order assistant for ordering children's summer camp, something like this. At first, I would like to ask about children's age. So I will write children age. It will be, for example, integer or a float. I will ask by input something like this. Okay. And now, if I have age, so I would like to evaluate the age. So if children age is greater than 8, we just print something like you can go. Okay, but it means else if the children's age is less than 8, so it means 7, 6, 5 and so on, we will print that the children isn't allowed to go. Okay, it can go. So you are not old enough for summer camp. Okay, great. So and now or we can test it. Okay, so I will run it. Age, I will put it here 10, you can go. If I put it here 8, you are not old enough for summer camp. Okay, so here we can have greater than or greater than equal. It's up to us. So maybe if the children is exactly age 8, you can go. So all the children can go. Okay, so I will write and put it here 8, you can go. Okay, if I put it here 7, you are not old enough for summer camp. Okay, great. But now if the children can go, so it means I would like to ask about another information. It's theme of summer camp. So we will suppose that we have 3 themes: Harry Potter, Star Wars and Minecraft. Okay, and I will write choose theme, and I will write here options: Harry Potter, Star Wars and Minecraft. And again, I would put here lower to transform everything in the lower cases. And now we have a theme. Okay, and but here very important thing is that it isn't logic to ask about theme here, right? Because why is that? Because you ask about age, and sometimes if the age will be, for example, 5, so it means the children isn't allowed to go to the summer camp, right? But it doesn't make sense to ask about age, which is, for example, 5, and after that ask immediately about theme, because the children is 5, so it doesn't make sense to ask about theme if the children can't go to the summer camp, right? So we will ask about theme after we are sure that the children can go to the summer camp. Okay, and now I will evaluate, like, if theme is equal to Harry Potter. Don't forget to write it in a small letters, okay, because we have a lower function here. And we will print something easy, like price of summer camps is $100, for example. Okay, if theme is equal to Star Wars, again it will be the same but different price. Okay, something easy, for example 90. And you can see that this if statement is inside of the first if statement. Again, it's indent. Okay, so be careful. I will write if, because we have 3 themes. It will be Minecraft, and again price of the summer camp is 85, for example. Okay, and I can put it here else, and it will be the control, because we have 3 topics, and if it isn't first, second or third topic, so it means that somebody writes something wrong, right? So it's like the mistake or the error. So you wrote wrong theme. please write it again. Okay? Something like this. So at first we evaluate age, and if the children is allowed to go to the summer camp, we ask about theme. And after that we evaluate the theme and print out the price or the problem that they wrote a wrong theme. Okay? So I will try that, run the code, age, for example 7, you are not old enough to for summer camp, that's right. For example 10, choose the theme, for example Harry Potter, and price of summer camp is $100. And I would put here, for example, colon and space, maybe it will looks better. Again, age 12, for example Star Wars, it doesn't matter because we have a lower function here, so it will be transferred to small letters. Price of summer camps is $90. Okay, again 12. For example, I write oh, maybe okay, we will try Minecraft as well, 85. Okay, it makes sense. 12 and some different topic. If something write something different or some nonsense, you wrote wrong theme, please write it again. Okay, I like it. So we practice nested condition. This is a very important concept because your code can be too closer to real examples. So I hope you understand.